Hello friends, how are you all? We are going to show you 6 luxury buses of the world. If you are new to the channel, please make it mandatory to like, share, subscribe and set the bell notification to all so that the video can reach you first. Let's start the video. Number 6, for Ion Elysium. For Ion Elysium. The Fur Ion Elysium is a luxury recreational vehicle RV concept created by For Ion. One of the most notable features of the Elysium is the skydeck. Located on the roof of the RV, the skydeck is a helipad and entertainment space that offers breathtaking panoramic views. It includes a hot tub lounge, chairs and a fully equipped bar, providing a luxurious outdoor experience. The Fur Ion Elysium is a massive, high-tech RV that resembles a luxury motor coach. It measures around 45 feet in length. Inside the Elysium you'll find a spacious living area that includes a modern kitchen, comfortable seating in a dining area, including a refrigerator. The seating area features luxurious leather sofas and a large flat-screen television for entertainment. It features a smart home automation system that allows you to control various aspects of the RV, such as lighting, temperature, and entertainment through a mobile app. Number 5. RC12M. RC12M by Motorhomes, an astonishing motorhome with a unique party trick. This enchanting motorhome is one of the best pedigree vehicles of its class on the market, boasting clean, uncluttered lines and a coherent design. This is a true example of a luxurious motorhome, blending beauty and power within interiors so vast you will forget you are in a motorhome. The RC12M comes with no less than 4 large slide-outs, enabling the launch kitchen and master suite to be simply enormous. This apartment-like space will make you forget you are in a motorhome. A very special feature of the RC12M is the massive garage at the rear of garage that will hold many things, even your sports car. Number 4. Dumbbell Motorhome. Dumbbell motorhomes are luxury motorhomes geared towards providing the comfort of a luxury yacht. Inside and outside they feature a sophisticated and elegant design. It's 12 meters, 39.3 feet long, 2.5 meters, 8.2 feet wide and 4 meters, 13 feet high. Half that height inside as well. It has a small rear garage and 2 slide outs, one for the kitchen and one for the bedroom. Inside it can sleep and feed 4 people in absolute comfort, and it also offers storage and pretty much whatever else you need for a fun extended vacation. The 4 seats in the cockpit in gorgeous and terribly impractical white leather are heated, cooled in half. Massage function. STX2 pop-outs garage. The kitchen all packed with Miele appliances, including dishwasher, induction cooktop and oven. Also features a large refrigerator and freezer, hidden evacuation and generous storage. The model showcased in the video is customized and retails for $1.25 million. Number 3. STX2 pop-outs in garage. STX2 pop-outs and garage. This vehicle is known for its advanced features and technologies, including efficient engines, aerodynamic designs, and innovative safety systems. It incorporates various driver assistance systems such as active brake assist, lane keeping assist, and adaptive The true adventurer. Cruise control to enhance safety and efficiency on the road. A vehicle built for the true adventurer. This model offers a spacious and comfortable living space with fully equipped kitchen, a beautiful bathroom and cozy bedroom. The big advantage of this model is the built-in garage, which offers space for a small car, scooters, motorcycle, or other vehicles. An interior inspired by exclusive yachts and Nordic design, both bright and warm, will give you a feel of coming home wherever you may be. Between leather and carbon added to the essence of precious woods, beautiful and high-quality materials characterize the living spaces. Number 2. Ilium Palazzo. Ilium Palazzo. The Ilium Palazzo is a luxury motorhome or recreational vehicle RV. Manufactured by the Austrian company Marquis Mobile. It is known for its futuristic and unique design, often described as a lanyard. The Almond Palazzo has gained popularity due to its luxurious features and attention-grabbing appearance. The Palazzo features a sleek hand aerodynamic design that resembles a high-end sports car or a luxury yacht. It has a distinctive rounded front end and a long streamlined body. The Palazzo is available in different lengths ranging from around 12 to 20 meters, 39 to 65 feet. Its spacious interior offers ample living and entertainment areas. Poland Palazzo is considered a high-end luxury motorhome, and its price reflects that. The cost of a new Palazzo can range from several $100,000 to over $1 million, depending on the customization and additional features. Foreign. Faulkner Performance S. Number 1. Faulkner Performance S. German luxury motorhome builder Faulkner Mobile True Loose and S from the adoring public at the 2021 Caravan Salon in Dusseldorf, Germany. The company showcased its performance as motorhome that was hiding a Bugatti Chiron between the front and rear axle. However, you get a ton of features for the price. Besides having an underbelly mobile garage, to Faulkner Mobile Performance S features an incredibly high-end $355,000 Burmester audio system. It has a master's bedroom or roomy and spacious shower and brilliant light upholstery to complete the upscale vibe. The Performances also comes with a full kitchen and induction stove, a dishwasher, and a refrigerator. The Performances motorhome at the Caravan Salon costs a stocking $7.7 million, including the Bugatti, with base prices starting at $2.4 million. The Performance S is also one of the world's most expensive motorhomes.